day in the life with, you feel me, your boy Slim. This just a day, you know what I'm saying? I just really ain't got nothing to do. I'm just chilling for real, and I just wanted to take a drive in the car, you feel me? I really don't, bro. I really don't get to record how I actually be up in my car, like on just some cool shit, like how I really just wanna drive my shit on some shit. I think I'm gonna do that shit today. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So boom, we are in Arcola, Mississippi, and if you know the old 61, you from the Delta and you know your way around these roads, specifically people from Greenville and Holliday, because I know y'all. If you go this way, then you know the way I'm talking about. It's like a childhood highway for me on the way to Greenville and shit. Like this the way we used to go. We would hit, you know, new 61 here and there, but it really was the old 61 that we used to hit to go to Greenville. Hit 438, you feel me? Then boom. So I know that road like I know that road like the back of my hand, gang. So it's like I'm in a Mustang, and this road it's got curves and shit like.
Shut your stupid ass up.
I'm in a Mustang, fool. This the topic of it all. I'm in a Mustang actually, so I can really get to drive that bit. I can really get to drive that bit how I want to drive that bit, and it makes it even funner because I know the road. You feel?
What are you talking about, man?
You feel me? That's how this shit finna go right here, I think. The fuck? Yeah, we back now for real, chat. Go good, cuz. Go, bro. Damn. But yeah, bro, this is new 61, but damn, it people on the road now. I don't even want to take this hoe for real. At first when I was coming through here, there wasn't no damn people on the damn road. Oh well, I don't be around here no way, like talking about. So shit, you feel me? This bit definitely got curves, as you can see. Definitely curves already. I really want to let the one down a little bit, just a little. No, I'm just one opposite from me, just so y'all can hear. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I like hearing my car. I don't care how cold it is. I like hearing that bit. But yeah, bro, let's turn this shit up. Let's get it. I gotta let my window down too. That's the only way y'all gonna hear it. Yeah, but then I gotta let it back up because shit, you ain't gonna be able to hear nothing. I mean, you ain't gonna be able to hear shit from the wind. Y'all clearly see that damn speed limit said 45, right? I think y'all seen it. If I'm recording this shit right, I think y'all seen it because I ain't even checked. But I think I'm recording it right, so fuck it. Alright. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm finna do now. I ain't gonna drop. I probably can drop. Ooh, I can drop. So what I'm gonna do, it's construction right here, so we're gonna be very safe and professional doing this shit. You feel me? I ain't gonna do that right here. Then he got cones. Hell nah. Damn, they tore down the bridge though right here. Damn. Yeah, we definitely not gonna do that right there. So I mean, I can give it a little gas right here, but that curve ahead, nah. I gotta do it deep off in there.
Come on, man.
But yeah, this curve right here, do not pass 35 miles per hour. If I do want to pull right here, I gotta drop some more. Well, I ain't gotta drop no more. I really just gotta wait deep off in it, cause the curve, a hump right here. Oh, they fixed that bit. Yeah. Then I see now I done caught up to the fucking cars. I done caught up to the cars. Okay, it's a bump, so we ain't gonna go too crazy right here. Just gonna slow down a little tight.
Oh hell!
Huh. Then you see we got another deep curve. Alright, so right here, I'm gonna let the cars go a little bit. I'm in 4th gear. Oh yeah, this shit always happen when you need gas. I got 35 miles to eat on my way to Hollandale. Alright, we're gonna drop right here. We're gonna stay. Can we? Nah, we're gonna go to 2. We ain't get to 2 yet. So we're gonna get right here and hit the curve. We're gonna bend it in the curve. Yeah, we're gonna do that right there. Let's get it. Then you gonna get off of it. And then we're gonna hit this bitch just like this. This is what I like doing. I like doing this shit. I just had to let y'all know. Like, I had to prove this. Like, cause I don't race. I roll. You know, I do. I don't do none of that. I don't do none of that. I just drive. I just. I just drive. I promise. I promise. I just drive, gang. And this how I like drive. I like drive. I like hitting the curves. My mama always told me don't drive fast in the curves, and I did exactly the opposite of that. No cap. I did the exact opposite of that shit. And now you see what they got me, where they got me, in a Mustang, hitting curves hard as hell, feeling all that torque. God damn, I can't talk. But feeling all that torque pull. This is my second car ever, and for my second car, I definitely love it. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. See, we down there in Hollandale. You feel me? We are damn near in Hollandale. Well, you might well say we in Hollandale, but y'all see what Mississippi made of, bro? Nothing but field. Specifically the Mississippi Delta, though. Yeah, man. Oh, that's how it be when you riding with me. But plus I had a music bumping, but YouTube be tripping with the copyright. Somebody, hey, y'all, let's all come together. Let's all come together. Tell YouTube to just loosen up a bit on the copyrights, bro. Like, freak. Them hoes, man, you can't post shit on that bitch. I'm talking about they gonna catch anything in my background, no cap. That's why I don't even bother. That's why I like. That's why these are great videos, because you ain't gotta play no music. If you're a car person, you like the exhaust. You like what you see. You feel me? So if you new to the channel, you know the rest. If you new to the channel, bro, just go leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, man, just Hannah, I would really appreciate that, man, for all my real ones. If you're a real one, you gonna dial in, you gonna tap in for real. But y'all see how I just caught up to all this doggone traffic. I could have been caught them, but we driving, responsibly safe. But yeah, man, that was my drive to Hollandale on new 61, old 61. I'm sorry, that was my drive on old 61, gang. And this shit. This how it be. I don't really take this road, but when I do, it be in the daytime, obviously, because you see the curves. So I like taking it more so in the daytime than at night, because at night it can get scary, and I do not drive that way on that road at night. I used to, no lie, but I went in on Mustang, so you know what I'm saying? Gotta respect the V8s at all time, 24/7, 25/8, because I don't care how good of a driver you are. Whoo! You can't control what happens to a car at a certain given time. So you feel me? You gotta real deal be safe. You feel me? Put yourself in the best scenario situation, bro. But yeah, man. I am in Hollandale right now. You see, it's no big buildings, nothing. It's still really feel little small buildings on field, but this is my hometown. Do all raised that, you feel me? Can't take it from me. No cap. Can't take that out of my sister. Hollandale. Old 61, getting wicked.